Hey everyone, it's me. My car is going up now. If I told them the reason why I got it is keep the miles off the good one. They just had a heck of a time trying to figure out how to open the hood. It's a nice little car. It rides and drives really good.